Welcome, as in today's video I'll show you how to create Windows 11 bootable pen drive. So without further delay, let's get started. Now first you need to download the ISO image, which I've done on my previous video, so you can watch it on the card here or just check in the description to see how to download the Windows 11 ISO image. So now the next thing is to download Rufus. So search for Rufus and go to the official site and download Rufus. Now we have here, scroll down, and on the download section we have these released versions. So in my case I'm going to be using Windows, so in your case, depending on what you are using, the platform that you are using, you can just download that. Let's download this executable file, exe, Rufus 4.4 exe. Click on that to download, and as you can see, it's just been downloaded. So open the folder. Now we have Rufus here. Just double click and open that. Click on yes. Minimize this folder. Right, so as we have Rufus here, and you can see here, this is just the interface for the Rufus, and here we need to select our pen drive. I've not connected the pen drive yet, so you need to connect it. So here you select the pen drive, select the ISO image, and then you start just to create. So let's slot in the pen drive. Right, as our pen drive is being slotted, so let's go into our file explorer and see if our pen drive is there. So go to this PC, and as we have it here, we have this pen drive here. This is the pen drive. We have 8 gig. Minimize that. So if you have any data on the pen drive, you need to back them up before going through this process. Now that our pen drive has been selected here, so you just need to select the ISO file. So click on here, that is the boot selection. You can see disk or ISO image. So select the ISO file here, go to your downloads or wherever your ISO image is located. This is my own, so I select that, then click on open. Right, here you select the partition scheme. We have GPT or MBR. MBR is for the legacy support, and then GPT is for UEFI support. So in my case, I'll select the GPT. Now down here you need to select the file system in NTFS. That is the only format there, so select that, and then now we get to start. So that is just how easy and simple it is. So click on start, and then on this requirement here we have here remove requirement 4 GB. So if your PC is not up to this requirement, you check this. If it is not having up to 4 GB RAM, secure, and having secure boot TPM 2.0, you check this. But if your PC requirement is having all these hardware options, so you can just uncheck them, and then click on OK. Now this warning, it's saying that it's going to clear all data on the pen drive. So that is just, as I earlier on told you, you need to, if you have any important document on the pen drive, you need to back them up before you go through this process. So click on OK to clear all that. Right, so as it is just creating. Now that is just how easy and simple it is to create Windows 11 bootable pen drive. Now we see you on our next video for the installation process.